Hi there, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie. I am in my craft room, and if you saw my recent face-to-face video, you know that I need to pack up this entire space, and it is packed full of stuff. Now the room is a bit chaotic right now because I've been crafting up a storm to get all the videos done so that I can pack. And so my first step is going to be to put everything away. I know that sounds kind of funny, but I think that makes the most sense to try and get everything together where it needs to go so that when I go to pack, everything will be together and I won't have stuff spread out all over the place. So you'll notice that there was a ton of cards on my desk. So as I announced previously, I've pre-filmed and created all my content through the end of December. So that was a little bit of a sneak peek. Hope it didn't ruin for anybody. I need to go through all those cards. Plus I have about 7 other bins of cards that I need to go through. I'm going to do that now and put together a donation box and get that sorted. I also have a ton of stamps, dies, stencils that need to be put away. So that's going to be, another step. So let me start working on that stuff and I will be back and I'll show you how that all transpired and what the next steps are going to be. Okay, next up is my desk, which I've got a lot of supplies that can easily go back in their home. I've got a lot of stamp sets, inks, blah, blah, blah. So I think that's what I'm going to focus on next. Okay, this already looks 100% better in my opinion, even though I have no workspace. But all I did was took all the loose stuff around my desk and put them into like piles. So now I know what needs to happen with each, right? So I've got some cards, I've got some stamps and dies that need to be further subdivided and then put away. I've got ink and ink blending tools, I've got punches, I've got some adhesives, washi, embellishments, card panels, stuff for my scrapbook kit and base cards. So now the next step, even though this isn't all taken care of, I'm going to get rid of whatever's on this desk, at least put it where it needs to go. Okay, I think this is as good as it's going to get. Ideally, I would have everything in a place, blah, blah, blah. Part of the reason why my room is what it is because I don't have a place for everything. So down here, this needs to go out. So I will take care of that. These are things that I want to keep in like my to-go kit and some other stuff that belongs elsewhere. These are 3 miscellaneous bins. This has some projects in it, but these are miscellaneous. So as I get to those items, I will check the box. And then these are projects. So nothing to do there. This is looking pretty good. I have a stack here that relates to these bins that are full. So that's okay. And I think that's pretty much it. Everything else is reasonably put away. And so now I cannot procrastinate any longer and I need to start packing. Whew, I'm feeling a little overwhelmed, I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna go have a drink. I'm gonna go have a hot cup of tea and I will come back and we'll start a new video and at least get something done, right? I think once I start packing, it will get easier. Okay, so stay tuned for that. And until next time, happy organizing, or if you're in my case, happy packing.